Hi friends, this video shows how to fix all Bluetooth related issues. Bluetooth not working, not pairing, all these issues. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. First go to settings. Tap on the settings up icon. Go down. Then tap on general management. Go down. Tap on reset. Go down. Then tap on reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Tap here. Here you can see reset settings button. Tap on that. Done. You can see the message Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings reset. Please note that this reset operation will not delete any data from your phone. It just reset only the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. After this reset operation, you can check your your Bluetooth. You can try to pair a Bluetooth device that should work. So this way we can reset only the Bluetooth settings, and that way we can fix all Bluetooth related issues, Bluetooth not working, not pairing, all these issues. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it.